The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 46. Welcome to Lincoln. In the background is the Lincoln Marina, where we've got the swamp duck moored up for a few days. This is just a short reminder to tell you that my next video, which goes out on Saturday the 23rd of September 2023, is of a visit that Steve and I undertook to the nature reserve at Willington, just off the Trent and Mersey Canal. So join us on Saturday the 23rd of September 2023 at 8 AM for that video. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.